The story of the stock market begins over 400 years ago. In the early 17th century, the Dutch East India Company, also known as the VOC, was founded in 1602. Its goal: to dominate the profitable spice trade with the East Indies. But such long voyages required enormous capital. So, the VOC did something revolutionary: it sold shares to investors. The VOC's ability to raise huge sums of money inspired others. Soon, trading shares became common practice, revolutionizing how businesses raised capital. As trading grew, organized marketplaces appeared. The first major exchange was the London Stock Exchange in 1773. Across the Atlantic, in 1792, the New York Stock Exchange was born under a buttonwood tree on Wall Street. These stock exchanges became financial powerhouses, not just in their countries, but worldwide. They played a critical role in economic development, providing capital for businesses and opportunities for investors. The 20th century brought major changes and challenges. The 1929 stock market crash triggered the Great Depression, leading to new financial regulations. After World War II, economic prosperity fueled the rise of institutional investors, like pension funds and mutual funds. Later, the collapse of the Bretton Woods system in the 1970s opened the doors to a global financial network. Technology changed everything. The rise of computers and the internet made trading faster, cheaper, and more accessible. Individual investors could now participate directly through online platforms. At the same time, globalization connected financial markets around the world, increasing capital flow, but also volatility and risk. In the 21st century, fintech reshaped investing. Tools like robo-advisors, AI, and cryptocurrencies challenged traditional finance. The market became more democratic, efficient, and low-cost, but also raised concerns about data privacy, cybersecurity, and algorithmic bias. Looking ahead, blockchain technology may transform stock markets again. It promises secure, transparent transactions, possibly eliminating intermediaries. Security tokens could open access to entirely new kinds of investments. From wooden ships to digital tokens, the stock market's journey reflects human innovation and resilience. Understanding its past is key to navigating its future. Subscribe for more stock market insights, and take control of your financial future.